This video is a tutorial on how to fix a canvas that has been ripped. Today I'm going to fix this painting done by one of my students. When I was in high school, my art teacher also helped repair one of my canvases. Here is that canvas. Can you tell where the rip occurred? To answer this question, you have to turn around and look at the back of the painting for the patchwork. And there it is. When I was painting this on site, a gust of wind ripped the canvas from my hand, which landed on the easel, making a giant L-shaped rip right around here. Luckily, my teacher helped fix this canvas and I proceeded with the painting. So today, we are going full circle and helping to repair this painting by one of my students. Here are the ingredients, so let's begin. On the front of the painting, I'm going to apply acid-free tape. This will prevent any materials like glue coming through the back and collecting on the face of the painting. Painter's tape or frog tape will also work. Next, cut a very thin sheet of wiping fabric. While this step is not crucial, I really like this fibrous fabric to reinforce the canvas fibers that were torn. Make sure the patch is larger than the cut you are repairing. Glue this fabric down using crafts glue and a stiff paintbrush. Make sure everything is flush. Next comes the canvas patch. This is the main step. Again, cut a section of canvas that is larger than the cut. Apply glue to the back of the canvas and to the back of the patch. Spread and even out the glue on both parts. Make sure the patch is pressed firmly onto the canvas, resulting in an even surface. Apply additional glue to the sides if needed. In order for the canvas to dry flat, you must apply some weights on top. First, use a piece of wax paper to prevent the glue attaching itself to whatever objects you put on top. Use books or anything else you have to apply some pressure on top and let thoroughly dry. After several hours, remove the weight and the wax paper and inspect the patch. Now it's time to remove the tape on the front. Even though the canvas has been repaired and it's once again strong, it is always recommended that you fill any gaps in the fabric with some modeling paste. This will ensure that the surface is once again even and ensuring that remnants of the tear will not be visible. Do this part very carefully, placing the paste in the crack only. Keep a wet sponge or paper towel nearby so that you can clean up any excess paste. While the modeling paste is still wet, you can carefully apply a piece of canvas on top so that the texture of the canvas is transferred onto the paste, further camouflaging the repair. Let dry thoroughly for another hour or two. With the canvas repaired on the back and in the front, we finally arrive at the most challenging part, reconstructing the painting in the torn area. This is harder than it looks because you have to match the colors perfectly. A very important tip to give you here is work with layers. You will not succeed perfectly on your first attempt, so build the area and the color slowly. Every time you paint another layer, you arrive closer to the actual color. Another tip is to make sure you use a clean and damp brush to feather and blend the new color with its surrounding. After a little bit of work, the painting is finished. Here is the before and after picture. If you ever find yourself in this predicament, now you know how to repair your canvas. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon.